Wanted to show y'all my homemade cough syrup. You simply take any black label whiskey. I usually use the best. Y'all know what that is. I'm not advertising for them. But it can also be used medicinal. Take that bottle. Take a couple of peppermints. Break them up with a knife. Stick them in there. Sorry, my little girl was painting my nails for me there. And let them dissolve. And then just give 2 teaspoons every 6 hours if need be to help with cough relief. But old whiskey used to be used medicinally, and it's the best cough syrup you can make for adults. But it works good. Thank you.